So this next step is essential, and it's often skipped. And I think this is really important. So we have this reaction. We have this sense that lies, the word lie or lies, is the most important idea, the most important word in the poem. We have a sense that trust is an issue. The speaker has problems. But the fact of the matter is, there are innumerable poems and literary text in which there are love challenges. Love problems is just a theme, and it's not very helpful for us if we're looking to really discuss the nuances of a poem or maybe write about them. And I would just suggest that recognizing theme is interesting. It shows you how books and text are related to each other. But mentioning that something is of a loss of innocence theme or challenges in romantic love theme is really should be just the beginning of the conversation. So here's the big question that I would propose. What is specifically Sonnet 138-ish about love challenges here? What's different in this poem about the idea that this speaker is having love problems? So I'm just going to point out one thing that I think is super interesting. I think if you're looking at the first 15 syllables, when my love swears that she is made of truth, I do believe her. These are the first 15 syllables of any standard love poem that we're used to hearing, or even Hallmark cards for that matter, well-written Hallmark cards. And we're getting tricked into thinking the lover and the beloved actually have this really great thing, this really great relationship, and that their promises to each other, the word swears and truth and believe, that their promises to each other are reliable. But right away, we get this qualification, though I know she lies. And beginning with this syllable, though, the 16th syllable in this poem, everything falls apart. So the reader's on a tightrope, right, after the first two lines. What I would suggest is, in some of the best literature we read, the messiness and the roadblocks and the challenges to interpretation are exactly the things that make the poem interesting. Don't dodge them, don't avoid them, talk about them, because that's usually the meat of any really interesting essay. So here, the speaker is constantly making an assertion and then qualifying or second-guessing it. That's what I'm noticing just out of the gate here.